My name is Luisa Fernanda Naranjo Quesada. Effect of technology on the environment. It produces an almost sadness to times nature speed will monkey do not listen to it. Victor Hugo. The, techno- the technological advancements and the effect on the ecosystem. The impact in technology and generation on the environment is of vital importance since of the years. Every time use of technology is the market and the consumer. Effect of technology on the environment. Improve your electrical appliance when you are not use them. This will have enough to consume even a minimum amount of electricity. The impact on the technology on the envelope. The impact on the technology on the environment. Technology evolution revolutionized the way that we live our life. Today, communication and its number of services is a distance and almost bit of things that mesh. Technology is able so much, and with it the need for different resources required supports technology evolution. Thanks. Thank you.